Welcome to the Aspiring Geneticist. Rare diseases are called that because their occurrence rates are very low, namely, around 1 in 2,000 people are affected. But have you ever wondered what the rarest rare disease is? The rarest disease in the world is something known as ribose 5-phosphate isomerase deficiency, also known as RPI deficiency. A grand total of 5 people have been diagnosed with the condition in the past 40 or more years. Well, what is it and why is it so rare? This disease causes progressive leukodystrophy, meaning that the myelin, the protective coating of nerves in the brain and spinal cord, are continuously broken down, leading to a severe decline in motor and cognitive function. It is caused by mutations in the gene, which is a stretch of DNA, that codes for the protein enzyme RPIA. This enzyme converts the D-ribulose 5-phosphate into D-ribose 5-phosphate in the pentose phosphate pathway. This pathway is part of our metabolism, which is a series of chemical reactions in our body that turns the food we eat into energy and removes toxins. By managing how much ribose 5-phosphate, one of the ingredients of DNA, there is, the enzyme can help regulate the production of RNA and DNA. When there's too much RPIA, it can actually mess up the pentose phosphate pathway and can cause cancer tumor progression and liver scarring. In this case, the opposite happens. The mutation causes there to not be enough RPIA, meaning that there's too much D-ribulose 5-phosphate instead of the good D-ribose 5-phosphate, which leads to the accumulation of ribitol and diarabitol as metabolic end products, which can become toxic for one's body. The symptoms are severe, including a gradual loss of previously acquired skills and intellectual abilities. These can be anything from recurring seizures that worsen over time to coordination issues and muscle issues, as well as involuntary eye movement, degeneration of the optic nerve, and weaknesses and numbness due to nerve damage. It is astronomically rare because it is already unlikely that one of our two genes inherited from our parents are mutated, but RPI deficiency requires both of a person's inherited gene variations, also known as alleles, to be mutated, such that they both reduce or remove the ability to produce RPIA, which is very rare. Due to its super rarity, there hasn't been too much research done on it, which means that effective treatments are hard to come by. It can also be misdiagnosed for more common diseases without genetic testing. However, to not end on a gloomy note, modern science is advancing so that we can target the potential toxins and alleviate the symptoms, although it was impossible before. As a side note, technically Field's condition is even rarer, with only 3 people being diagnosed with it in the whole world. But unfortunately, practically nothing about the condition is known due to the very little research it receives. Therefore, it is pretty difficult to talk about. I'll link some resources in the description if you want to find out more about them. I hope you learned something from today's video. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.